Namaste and a very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Gaurave and I belong to Ghosi. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on success. I want to start my speech with the quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like the sun, first learn to burn like the sun. अगर तुम सूरज की तरह चमकना चाहते हो तो पहले सूरज की तरह जलना सीखो. Look at the sky, we are not alone. The whole universe is our friendly to us and only conspired to give the best those who dream and work. यदि 4 बातों का पालन किया जाता है, एक महान उद्देश्य, ज्ञान प्राप्त करना, कड़ी मेहनत और दृढ़ता, तो कुछ भी हासिल किया जा सकता है. If follow 4 factors of great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Let me tell you how to achieve success. Many great people have succeeded various ways to achieve success, but the real ingredient in success is to believe that we are already successful. With this affirmative thought, success can be easily achieved. If we follow 3 success factors, we should follow our passion because that is where heart and soul is. When we follow our passion, there is no need to put any extra effort. The path is always challenging. We should build confidence to face any challenging situation. The third and most important success factor is discipline. When we work in disciplined manner, things will automatically fall in place. If we stick these 3 factors, before ending my talk, let me share with you all some beautiful line. खाने और सोने का नाम जीवन नहीं है, जीवन नाम है सदैव आगे बढ़ने का. Life is not just eating and sleeping. Life is about always forwarding. I end up my talk with a special thank great people for listening to me. Thank you so much and have a good day.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,